Hello students, in today's video I will be explaining the first part of model paper for reduced syllabus for English. So before getting into the video, if anyone is seeing the channel for the first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share it with your friends, and also click the bell button to receive notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting time, let us get into the video. So in your first model paper, the first main is answer the following in a word, a phrase, or in a sentence each. So answers can either be one word answer or one phrase or one sentence. So here 12 questions will be given. Each question will carry 1 mark. So 12 1-mark questions. So let us see the first question. Who according to Juliet is day in night? Answer: Romeo. How long had the prisoner in 2 Deer remained in the prison? Answer is 1 year. According to the speaker in On Children, life does not go. So here there are 3 choices given. First choice is swift, second choice is backward, and third choice is far. So the answer is backward. So according to the speaker in On Children, life does not go backward. How old was Don Gonzalo when he had been to America? Answer: 6 years. Whom does Donna Laura's parents want her to marry? A merchant. Where, according to the speaker in When You Are Old, does love hide his face? Answer: amidst a crowd of stars. Love hide his face amidst a crowd of stars. What did Basavaya and his people forcibly acquire in the Gardner? 200 acres of Tammanna's land. Mention any one aspect of nature that makes this earth a heaven in heaven if you are not here on earth. Answer: roaring stream, rolling surf, tender sunshine, any one you can write, because the question is mention any one aspect. So any one of these you can write. When do the bowing gentlemen transform themselves into savages in Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye? As soon as the bus arrives. As soon as the bus arrives, the bowing gentleman transforms themselves into savages. The Avenida Presidente Vargas in Brazil is described as dash by the narrator of Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye. So here 3 choices are given. First choice is the worst place of all. Second, a beautiful place. Third, a hazardous place. So the answer is the worst place of all. So the Avenida Presidente Vargas in Brazil is described as the worst place of all by the narrator of Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye. Which political party did Marcus Eby represent in the voter? Answer: People's Alliance Party, PAP. Name the secondary school teacher addicted to cycling in Where There Is a Wheel. Answer: Fatima. So these are the 12 1-mark questions. Now let us move on to the next main. Answer any 8 of the following questions, choosing at least 2 from poetry in a paragraph of 80 to 100 words. So here 10 questions will be given. You have to choose any 8 and write the answer. In this any 8, at least 2 should be from poetry. That is compulsory. 2 should be from poetry, and total 8 questions should be answered. And that should be answered in a paragraph of 80 to 100 words, and each answer carries 4 marks. So let us see the 13th question. Juliet's beauty was too rich for use. How does Romeo elaborate this? So what does Romeo tells about Juliet's beauty? See, in my opinion, if you are writing a paragraph answer or a long answer, you should understand the lesson properly and then write in your own words. That is the best way you can write. So I will be telling the main points. You can express that in your own words. So Romeo saw Juliet for the first time at the grand supper party hosted by Lord Capulet. And Romeo is strangely attracted towards Juliet at the first sight. So, at the first sight only, Romeo is strangely attracted towards the beauty of Juliet. He is fascinated by her beauty. And according to Romeo, now let us see what all does Romeo tells about Juliet's beauty. According to Romeo, Juliet can teach the torches to burn bright. Her beauty is more than the brightness of light. And Juliet's beauty is compared to be hanging upon the cheek of the knight as a rich jewel in an Ethiopian ear, as a golden colored jewel in a dark African ear. Juliet's beauty is hanging upon the cheek of the knight. Romeo says that her beauty is too rich for use and too dear for the earth. It is so precious that it cannot be used. Juliet is compared to a snowy dove, and her companions appeared to be crows. Romeo wants to touch her hands and get his rude hands blessed by her soft touch. And Romeo finally says that he has never seen true beauty till that night. Till that night he has not seen true beauty. So this is how Romeo tells about Juliet's beauty. So let us move on to the next question. Why was the council forced to alter the execution of the criminal in 2 Deer? The council in Monaco failed to carry the death sentence of the criminal because there was neither a guillotine for cutting head off nor an executioner. So in Monaco a guillotine was not available nor an executioner was available. And ministers considered the matter and agreed to ask the French government to lend a machine and an expert. The French government replied that it would cost 16,000 francs. King of Monaco felt that it was a huge amount, so they decided to enquire to the King of Italy. The Italian government was ready to give a machine and an expert for 12,000 francs. Although it was cheaper than the French offer, still it was expensive. So again a meeting was held, and finally the death sentence was converted to life imprisonment. This would help the prince to show his mercy, and it would come cheaper. So this was the reason why they altered the execution of the criminal in 2 Deer. So let us see one more question. How does the speaker describe the characteristics of children in On Children? Explain. So in the poem On Children, the poem On Children was written by Khalil Gibran. So in the poem On Children, the poet says that our children are not our children, they are sons and daughters of life's longing for itself. So according to him, according to the poet, children have their own thoughts and their souls dwell in the house of tomorrow. So when a child is left free, he can make his own choices and decisions. Parents should only give them their love but not their thoughts. Why? Because children have their own thoughts. Children should be given the freedom to be what they want. They should be given the freedom to do what they want. And the poets say that children are living arrows sent from you, that is from the parent, and they are sent forward. So according to the poet, parents should strive to be like their children and not to try to make them like you. So this is what the speaker describes about the characteristics of children in the poem On Children by Khalil Gibran. So these 3 answers, that is these 3 4-mark answers I have explained in this video. In the coming video, I will be explaining the other 4-mark answers. So I hope you have understood these points very clearly. And as I have told before, 4-mark or long answers will be best if you try to answer them in your own words. For that, the lesson, the meaning of the lesson and the content of the lesson should be thorough. Then only you can write the answer in your own words. You cannot by heart an answer and write in English subject. So please try to make the chapter thorough. Then with these points which I have given, try to make your own answers. So so in next video, I'll be explaining the coming answers. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your likes and shares will be of a great encouragement for me to make more and more videos. So I hope to see you very soon in the coming video. Thank you for watching.